Back coming up on 5:54 right now. Time for weather and traffic on the fours. What's the commute cast like, Jeff?
It looks nice out there this morning, John, but again, windshield wipers may be required later on this afternoon. Let's take you along Ajo Highway. Morning rush, mostly sunny, mid-70s. We're heading for the upper 90s this afternoon. Very similar setup compared to yesterday. Isolated storms here in Tucson, some of which could produce some locally heavy rainfall. Here's a look at satellite loop and radar. Watching a cluster of storms starting to infringe on portions of Cochise County. So if you're traveling this morning in Douglas, you may need the windshield wipers. Rest of southern Arizona dry. High pressure off to our east. That's helping to maintain monsoon moisture for our atmosphere this afternoon. Also plenty of energy to get storms going. The limiting factor for storms today, much like yesterday, those steering winds and the cloud tops blowing off ahead of the storm cores, maybe choking off instability. So you will need a storm to literally form directly over your house to see rain here in Tucson. Better bet for scattered storms south and east of the metro across portions of Cochise, Graham, Greenlee, and Santa Cruz counties. Activity should wind down as we head into the late night hours. 4 out of 10 for the monsoon prediction index. Moderate threat for flash flooding, especially in areas that have seen heavy rainfall earlier this week, and not going to rule out some gusty winds over 40 miles per hour. I'll look at your News 4 Tucson extended forecast, really a low-grade forecast for the monsoon over the next 7 days. Isolated storms, perhaps today the most active day out of the next 7. Dry air works in. That's going to start heating us up a little bit as we head into the weekend. 100s for daytime highs and a slight chance of isolated hit-and-miss storms.